Great rising, everyone. It's me again. Today, we're still trading on our demo account because our live account only has $1.93 and I don't want to trade any pairs. With $106, we are able to do 0.02 on the SPX, or we are able to trade gold. And with gold, we can do 0.04. With silver, we are able to do 0.05. I'm not trading gold today, and I'm not trading silver today. I will be trading SPX. So right now it's 8:50 Eastern Standard Time. I am about to do some support and resistance lines. Here we got the MACD that is still closed, but it's already curling back up. So we'll see if today if we will go open. Let's see. Right now it's above the median between the Bollinger Bands. It has bounced over here from the lower band, possibly going back over here to the upper band. And if it does go back up to the upper band, we have about 120 points, about 120 points or so of upside. My strategy is that either whenever above the upper band or below the lower band, we buy and then we sell if it's up here or vice versa. So here we're just going to be doing some support and resistance lines just based on wicks and the body of the candle whenever you open or close. See what's possibility over here. Oh look, 555 angel numbers right here. 555. All right. Now it starts on the daily. To start on the daily, you switch to the 4 hour. You see right here on the 4 hour how you went below the Bollinger Band. Here will be a possibility or opportunity for us to get in and then wait for this MACD to go open like this. When you go open, there's more indication that more people are going to step in and buy, because then the buyers are most likely to step in. We got this, we get that right here. We have some resistance, come back down. Once it broke above resistance, past resistance becomes support. So it supported 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and then a little bit push. But whenever it broke down under the support, so now past support becomes resistance, just like how he kind of resisted right here and you couldn't pass by. So you sold back off. Trading is a lot of, you're just waiting for the stocks to do something. Literally, just it. And we go to 1 hour, see if we can find anything else. Look at that. 1, 2, sold off 3 times, sold off. Here yesterday on this past weekend, Trump said that he's no longer attacking Iran. So he kind of went up a little bit, but Trump is a maniac. So I'm still gonna mark this area. I don't think it will go all the way down there, but possibility that it can come back down here because the MACD on the 1 hour is closed and making its way back down. The RSI is kind of struggling right here on 75, 65, 75. So a possibility keep on making our way back down. But who knows? All we have to do is to react and not predict. That's another rule. Don't predict, react. And day trading should have only one goal. The goal is to become self-sufficient. That's it, really. And don't depend on anybody else to give you signals or when to take profits or when to sell or whatever it is, how much to risk. You got to figure that out. Each person is different. But you can pay for a signal services and you can earn some money. But it's like the thing, like you're always going to be depending on somebody else to tell you when to do something. Oh, like, you should buy right now. Oh, you should sell right now. This and that, whatever. Yeah. So that's how you do your support lines, support and resistance lines. My screen is white right now because I'm outside. Since I'm outside, it's easier for me to see with being white. So that's it. It is about to be 9 o'clock right now. So I'll be back around 9:25 or so of recording, screen recording, and see how that goes. See you soon again. All right, we're back here again. It's 9:28. It did come down to this to the support area right here. It did come a little bit lower and then now starts to push. There's only a 8-point move though. I don't really like trade the SPX because it kind of moves like slow and in small ranges, so it requires you to do a bigger amount of lots for you to gain some type of thingy. But for us to do the NAS100, we require at least $160 or yeah, minimum like 160, so that way you have at least a $8 margin of error. But right now, you will be testing this area right here, that area. Could potentially just come back down again. We'll put a line. What about here? Let's see what happens. You got 38 more seconds into open. But as far as it goes right here, most likely I would be looking for a short. Maybe this MACD right here rejects and stays closed and continues on the way back down. It's possibly rejecting out of this line right there, which is kind of what he's doing it. Let's see if 4-hour MACD is still open above the histogram. So possibly reach for the highs right here, maybe. 1 hour MACD is closed, making our way back down. And we just open right now. 15-minute MACD is closed. 5-minute MACD, it's going open. Rejecting right here on the, see? The batches over here in the, yeah. See, look, above the upper band. Right there. MACD could potentially go close right here, making our way back down again. So maybe if he comes back over here to the 59s or so, I'll probably take a short. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put a risk right here, right above this line. So if you take a trade right now, we'll be risking $6 or so. Let's see. I need to go a little bit higher, but could potentially make my way all the way back down here again for a 7 to 6 point gain. So if it comes back down here for a 6-point gain, that would be $12 because we're going to be doing 0.02. So I'll be risking $6 to gain 12. So there's a 2-to-1 risk reward trade. It's a okay trade. Like now this area right here. There she is. Nope. 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 Three, 2, 1. There we go. I got into a short. Right at 63, I can risk a little bit more. Looks like I'm about to take me out. Yeah, it's took me out. It's took another short. That last short, we are down $4.20 on the day. That's our last trade right here. Yeah, look like about to take me out again. I'm shorting this because it's above the 1 minute upper band. So I will be looking for it to come all the way back down here again. But MACD going straight up like that, most likely it could potentially come back down. Maybe, maybe not. RSI starting to crawl. So let's see if you gotta lose the 60s. There it is. Right now we only up $1. $2 now. Let's see if 5 minute. See if 5 minute touch the above the upper band right here, creating this kind of double top kind of thing. Let's see. Now let's say if you put a take profits. Let's see if it does go back. Let's go back all the way down here to this lower band, just about here. That will be equivalent of $27. And go ahead and confirm. So now I have my take profits down here on this area of support. Most could potentially come that lower. Maybe, maybe not. On the 15 minute, like in the 15 minute, also went above the upper band. Now it's creating this wick and possibly coming a little bit lower than my take profits, but I'm going to leave right here at that 7549 and see what happens. MACD in 15 minutes is going open, possibly. So it could potentially continue on the way up. That's the thing, like above the upper band, most likely take a short, and then below the lower band, most likely take a buy, and so on. So we are quote unquote a hybrid trader. There it is, about, ooh, almost took me out. It's short right here. I'm risking $5.40. This right here, you're gonna need to start coming back down. It doesn't look like it will. I think it will continue on the way back up. The support right here. You saw that it went above the upper band again. And just wait, really. It's not even about the money. Number one goal, really, as a day trader, you want to become self-sufficient. You generate your own ideas, your own trading ideas. You take the trades, you do your own risk. You generate your own take profits. You don't need to wait for somebody else to tell you want to take a trade or to take profits or whatever it is. So if this trade really does hit, then we're gonna have just about $130. And there it is. Right now we're up $3. Gotta lose the support right here. Uh, Upper band is going still how like it's usually the price pulls like it pulls towards those bands, and this one keeps on switching back up. You're 8 minutes into the trading day. 9:38 right now. I really want to lose the support right here. We see how the upper band keeps on going up. Most likely the price will pull towards the band. But you gotta lose this. If it doesn't lose this support right here, which comes from there, and usually goes from band to band. This is really good. I'm creating this massive wick. Massive wick. It has a 6 point wick. MACD still closed by point by 0.16. Take profits right now would be green on the day. I just gotta stay patient. There it is. Boom. Losing the support. Now you want to see continue going. And this looks like the 945 is setting up to happen again. There's one pattern that happens at about 945 that comes all the way back down. It goes, it touches, it tests the low of the day, and then it pushes back up again. So then it goes from band to band. See how the band keeps going up and up and up? Now you just sit here and wait, literally. Trading stocks not that very exciting. There's lots of sitting, lots of waiting, staying patient. It's about to take me out. That's good. MACD on a 1 minute is going close. It's literally like right there. This is them making it a break point. You can either really just sell off, or you can just find support over here and continue the way back up. This is a 1 hour. MACD on the 1 hour is closed, but above the histogram. Being above the histogram meaning it means that the bulls are still in control. If it's below the histogram, means that then the bears are in control. Here the 4 hours, look at that, the 4 hours still all the way up there. So possibly we're gonna make it way up there. If he makes below this line, about the breaks under here, I'm gonna move my stop loss into break even. That way, if he comes back up again, you just be a break even, so I won't be risking any more fake money because it's a demo account. MACD is going to close. Hopefully, you just really see a dive over here. I'm gonna click here on top of it, modify thing, and I'm gonna put right under my entry point. So if it comes back up again, quote unquote, I'll be earning 26 cents. And hit confirm, and boom, there it is. Now price action comes back over here, it will take me out. And it looks like it's about to do it. That's it, that's trading. It's not that complicated. It's lots of waiting. I only see a rejection right here. Mhm. I'm about to flip this candle, it's about to go back up. And there it is. It's checking me out. So I could have taken profits down here for like about $7 or so to put me green on the day, but then I didn't. And this is where their addiction comes in, because right now I feel like taking another short. That's the part that sucks. Because you could have taken profits right here to be green on the day. Then I didn't. I just took another short. I just took another short, risking the high of the day.
Is that good?
So on the day right now, we're at 432, and we lost 12 cents on that last trade. I'm taking another short because it was weakening right here on the high of the day. And as well, he kind of tested again above the upper band. And the 15 still testing the upper band too. And that's why I took it. So most like every time it's above the upper bands or the lower bands, I'm taking a buy or a short, really.
Is it good to cook your old grill then? No, the grill already has rust on it. To keep it as a memory and
No.
show your kids?
No. You already showed our kids.
I'm gonna leave right here my take profits down there.
We're sitting.
Upper band is making their way back up again, so I don't know, we just gotta wait. Trading's just literally a lot of waiting. See what the NASA's doing. NASA's making the way up. See from the lower band, below the lower band, all the way up to the upper band. That's why I love trading the NAS. 440, all the way back up over here. It's 100, 160, 120 points. See that? 0.01 right here would be $120. So SPX, you can earn money, but you need more lots. The next 100 don't require many lots, but you can grow your account a lot faster. I love trading the S100. Now I want to see a rejection here again. Making their way back down. Whatever you do not trade like how I trade. I'm not that great of a trader. I just take a lot of risk. Right now, I can take my profits of $9 now, and we'd be green today because right now we are down $4.32. So if you take profits, I'll be green. But it's not about you being green or red on the day. It's about you staying disciplined to your plan. I need to break down under this price right here. On the 557. Back to the same area again. Now 559. He likes using the channel. So just channel between here and here. That's the channel I should stuck at. Go up here, touch it, come back down here. There it is. Let's see if you're gonna touch over here, go back up over here, and come back. Sometimes it's just be on the channel all day. But we need to, for her to break under this channel. And this is the open price. So open price always act as support as well. So 556 is open price. It will act as support or resistance. So testing open price again. There it is. There it is. Look at that, $17 in profits. I can take my profits right now and be okay with it. I'm gonna remove my and get my stop loss. I'm gonna put like a little lower over here and confirm. So again, if the prices come back up again, it will take me out right there. It says 554. So right now, 556 should be acting as resistance, which is right there. I'm making one more leg down to take me out of my take profits. Yep, there it is, rejecting. See if we go from upper band on the Bollinger Band to the lower band. As we always want to play from the lower band, the upper band, so the upper band, back to the lower band, and so on. That's what you want to play. Whenever it gets above or below the bands, then is your chance or opportunity to take a trade. And you want to stay away from whenever it's staying in between. In between, you want to be on the trade in between. You don't want to be getting on a trade when there's 552, gotta break this, and the 15-minute lower band is starting to go a little bit lower. I'm gonna take profits right here, and I'm gonna lower just a little bit more, right about here. And this is another thing that we can do. You can see how we have 0.02 right here. I have 0.02. I can go in there and close 0.01. And then we take us out from 0.01, and then we'll be holding 0.01. Come on, man. We're at 31 minutes into open. Right now, I can still take my profits and be green on the day. I can take 0.01 and be green on the day. If I take 0.01, close me off for about 7 points, $7. I'm moving my stop loss down. So if it does go back over here, at least you take me out, and we would be green on the day by $1 or so. That's if it comes back up like that. 20. This is what we can do. Go over here, close 0.01. Boom. So then we still have 0.01 open. Right now we are up on the day $5.66. and we closed for $9.98. So if it does come back up, it'll take me out. We'll be green. We'll be okay. And then you just look for the next trade. Oh, look, 111. That way, at least like psychologically speaking, you don't be like, oh man, it should take my profit and da 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 da. So it's a whole commotion that be happening inside your own head. So right now, we at least we're agreeing on the day. We took half of our profits, and you just keep on doing this every day. You just keep on showing up until we go to the NAS 100. That's where you want to be. There it is. Massive red candle. Massive. It's only 4 points. Now you see how the lower band keeps on pointing down? Most likely the price we get magnetized to this price action. So like it pulls to the price action. So it should go up one more time and then reject. Yes, if you look in the 5 minute, you still haven't touched the lower band. Just like how we touched the upper band, you went above. You want to go under the 5 minute band as well. Same thing in 15. That's why I say from band to band. It's like here, from the lower band to the upper band. From the lower band to the upper band. But then here the range is small. From the upper band down to the lower band. So that's where I want to see it coming right here. But take me out. Almost did. Boom. Took me out on my stop loss. Okay. So that was a decent trade. From all the way up here, we could have taken in full profits down here. We did move our take profits a little lower, but that's how trading goes. So then we go over here. We are up $8.40. Okay. $8. All that just for $8. You see how day trading is not that very exciting? All right. Hopefully I don't take any more trades. I will stop the recording right here. And yeah. Love you guys and you guys take care. Stay profitable, my friend.